హాయ్ ఎవరీవన్, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ అందరికీ హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్. మన ఛానల్లో వీడియో వచ్చి చాలా రోజులు అవుతుంది. చాలామంది మన సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ వీడియో గురించి అఫ్కోర్స్ అడగట్లేదు అనుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు కొత్తగా ట్రావెల్ లాగ్తో వస్తున్నాం. ఎప్పటి నుంచో స్కూబా డైవింగ్ అనుకున్నాం, లక్షద్వీప్, అండమాన్ ఇవన్నీ అనుకున్నాం, కానీ ఎందుకో కుదరలేదు. ఇప్పుడు ఫైనల్గా నేత్రాని ఐలాండ్ వెళ్తున్నాం. ఇది కర్ణాటకలో ఉంది. సో ఎంటైర్ డీటెయిల్స్ మీకు ఇస్తూ ఉంటాను బ్లాగ్లో, ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి. అంతే, లెట్స్ గెట్ ఇంటు ద వీడియో.
So the word scuba stands for self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. Diving, if you guys feel like coughing, just keep your hand in the front and you can cough. Because otherwise, if you don't keep your hand while coughing, this could fall off your mouth. So keep your hand in the front and you can cough. If somebody wants to sneeze, hold your mask and sneeze. Okay? If somebody is feeling sleepy underwater and you want to open your mouth and yawn, keep your hand in the front and you can open your mouth. Okay, this could happen to some people. If somebody has had a heavy breakfast in the morning, lot of sambar, lot of vadas, you feel like burping underwater, if maybe you want to vomit as well, vomit inside the regulator itself. Okay, once you're done vomiting, for example, like how we have a gauge in cars and bikes to find out how much fuel is left, so this works exactly the same way, right? So today while scuba diving, you guys don't need to worry about checking your gauge. It is our responsibility. Every few seconds or every minute, we will keep checking your gauge to see how much air is left in your tank. So this is your pressure gauge, okay? Now about your depth, so your maximum depth for today is going to be 12 meters, which is 40 feet, okay? So we cannot take you more than 40 feet for today. In case if you guys want to go deeper, you'll have to come back another day. We have a course which is called as the open water course. Then we can take you up to 18 meters. Even after 18 meters, you guys are not satisfied, you want to go even more deeper, please come back another day. We'll do another course which is called as the advanced open water course. Then we can take you up to 30 meters. Even after that, you want to go deeper, there's another course which is called as the deep diver speciality, and then we can take you up to 40 meters. After that, don't come back. Just kidding. But in scuba diving, in recreational diving, all around the world, 40 meters is the deepest that we can take you all. But there are other courses that you guys can do which can take you up to 1,000 to 10,000 meters as well. But we don't do that. But in scuba, in recreational, 40 meters is the deepest that we can take you all. But today, please don't get confused between 40 meters and 40 feet, yeah? So 1 meter is about 3.65 feet. So 12 meters is equivalent to 40 feet. Okay, like I said, don't get confused between 40 feet and 40 meters. So today we are going to be going to maximum depth of 40 feet, not meters, right? Okay, over here, what I have is called as the scuba jacket, or we call this as the BCD. So BCD stands for buoyancy controlling device. So this jacket will help you guys on the surface to float, and this is going to help you go down as well. I'm going to show you how. Okay, can you all see the two buttons here? The red and the white button. So the red button over here is called as the inflator. So before you guys jump in the water, we will make sure that your jacket is filled with air. If your jacket is not filled with air and you guys jump in, you're going to start sinking because there's going to be so much weight on your body, right? And anytime during the dive, if I need to add air into the jacket, I will press the red button. You see? I press the red button, it fills the jacket with air. So when you guys jump in the water, immediately you're going to start floating because there is a lot of air. So now when you need to go down, you need to release the 20 minutes. That's why you need to concentrate on your breathing and take long and deep breath. If you start breathing too fast, it will get over fast as well. It's the same in your cars and bike as well, right? If you keep driving very fast, you will run out of fuel very soon.
In worst case, how much time?
So we will keep a look on your gauge and also depends on your breathing. Okay?